Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to install rear shock in our 2011 Ford F-150. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. So we're going to disconnect the top of the shock first, and the outside of the head of the bolt is a 15mm socket, and on the inside the nut is an 18mm. So I've got my setup here, and I've got my 1/2-inch ratchet wrench. I'm just going to break it free. See if we can get it by hand. Perfect. Now we're going to raise the vehicle up. I'm going to use a 2-post lift, and you can use a floor jack and jack stands. It's going to be the same procedure down here. We have an 18mm wrench and a 15mm socket. I'm going to break that free. Bring that right down. Here we have our new shock from 1A Auto and the factory shock that we just took out of our 2011 Ford F-150. This comes shipped in a cardboard box with this attachment strap. You're just going to push down on it, compress that shock, slide it off, and it will expand to the full length. Now these are gas shocks, and you can see that this one's worn out. You can see the height difference. It's always good whenever you get new shocks to compress them 3 times to get the gases to activate and let them expand before you install them. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. So prior to installation, you want to always compress a new shock 2 to 3 times to get the gases and oil activated, and that way they're not, there's no air sitting in there. It's like a soda can, you want to shake it up. So I'm going to bring the top one, line it up in those bolt holes, and line the bottom one down. Now I'm just going to take a little pry bar and pry it right in here, get that bolt to line up. And I can put the nut on. I'm just going to snug it, then I'm going to lower it, make sure that the front bolt, the top bolt goes through, and then I'll torque them both down. Now with the vehicle back down on the ground, I can take a small pry bar, put her in the top of the shock, and move it around to line up that bolt hole. Once I get it, see if I can hold it there long enough. I'm going to compress it quite. There you go. Put the nut on the back, and I'm going to tighten this down. Once it's tightened, I'm going to torque it to 66 foot-pounds. Okay, that's snug. I'm gonna get my torque wrench. Okay, the torque is 66 foot-pounds. Okay, so we're going to tighten the lower shock bolt, 66 foot-pounds.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.